everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth and I'm here today with another Bibbidi Box unboxing. So this is my January box. I'm a little behind with everything that's been going on, and I can say with complete certainty that did not even look at the wish list for January, so I haven't the faintest idea what could even be in this box. If you are unfamiliar with Bibbidi boxes, they are mostly Disney subscription box, but you can also get Star Wars, Marvel, Harry Potter, but they come every month and you can determine which level of box you'd like. You can get one for $9.99, that's decals and stickers, all the way up to $299, which includes a couple of designer items. I split the difference and went with the Ultimate Magic Box, which is $119. The way it works is you fill out a preference sheet that's kind of all about your likes, dislikes, interests, things you'd like to receive in your box, collections that you may have, and my preference sheet is very, very detailed. So detailed that sometimes, most of the time, I don't even put anything on my wish list and they kill it. They absolutely kill it. I think having a very specific preference sheet is key. So anyway, let's get to the meat of this, right? You'll notice that the box is another Christmas box. You know, it has the Mickey Christmas tree truck and ornaments and wreaths, but it is my January box. All right, you guys ready? My packing slip, no spoilers. Quick note about your box. It's funny because I've never gotten this note before, and my box last time was just like the one item, and it was way over value, like $20 or $30 over value, and I didn't get one of these notes, but that is another thing that you can put on your preference sheet if you would rather have less expensive items so that you have more in your box, or if you're okay with having fewer items in your box and getting more expensive things. And I went with the latter option. So the little note says, a quick note about your box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. To change this option, please update your preference manager account by logging into bibbidi.club. I will not change that because I actually like that option. All right, so we have done away with the green Christmassy tissue paper, and we have gone back to the purple tissue paper and foozles. There were no foozles in my last box. Let's see what more expensive item they sent me. Now, those of you who know, if you know, you know. If you see this box, you probably know what type of item it is. And I never, oh, there's a surprise item on the side. Let's see what this is first. That's cute. I thought it was just the Jim Shore. It is not. Bonus item. It is wrapped in plastic and then wrapped in tissue paper. I'm going to try not to look. I am a peeker, not even on purpose. Like I unintentionally peek. It's terrible. Oh. So they clearly know that I like Maleficent. I love this. So it is a Loungefly wallet. On the front, it is Maleficent's Raven and the Thorns. Very pretty purple color and has a cool texture. You can feel the difference between the thorns and just the sparkly black background. Very pretty lavender trim around the Loungefly name. And then the killer is the back of it. Look at this. You have Maleficent looking into the woods and seeing the lovely Aurora with her owl and squirrel and little bunny and bird friends. Oh my gosh. And she just looks so devilish. I bet that girl's gonna prick her finger. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Oh, and look, the trims are very pretty lavender too. Oh, I like this. The inside is that same very pretty lavender color. Lots of room for things. Oh, okay. Y'all need to see this like coin purse area fabric. It is Maleficent, and you can see Prince Philip at the bottom, the Raven, and then the dragon. You see that? Oh my gosh, that is fantastic fabric. Holy cow. So, I absolutely love this. Loungeflies are always so much prettier in person. Like, photos do not do them justice. So awesome, I love this so much. Okay, and on to the big item. All right, I'll try not to peek again. I don't know why they had to send me that little disclaimer. I feel like most of my boxes are only 1 or 2 items. So, as you can see, it's a Disney Traditions Jim Shore. All right. See which one I got this time. I got one last month too, and it was a really beautiful, the diorama Maleficent's headdress with Aurora and Prince Philip in the middle. So cool. So let's see what this one is. All right, are you ready? I want to hold it up so that you can see it before I see it, but I hope I don't drop it. Can you see that? All right, I'm gonna spin around so I can see. Oh my gosh. She is, so, it's Maleficent. Another Maleficent, I love it, I can't stand it. So she is laughing because she probably did something really awful. She has her little raven friend. And then on the inside is the scene with Prince Philip and the dragon, which is my absolute favorite. She's so detailed and beautiful. Look, oh my gosh. There's the castle burning. She has her cloak kind of fans out, looks like flames. Oh my goodness. I have another Maleficent figure to add to my collection. Oh my gosh, I can't. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, she's amazing. Love, 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 love. All right, so let's check out my packing slip. So again, you know I have the $119 box. This box was curated by Amanda. Thank you, Amanda. You did an incredible job, even though I gave you like nothing to go off of other than my preferences, but you nailed it. You guys always nail it. I have to say, you guys just, I love being surprised. So that's why I don't really do anything on my wish list. And you guys always get me things that I didn't know that I needed until I have them. So the Disney Traditions Jim Shore figurine, Malevolent Madness Maleficent. It's $85. And my Loungefly Disney Villain Scene Maleficent Sleeping Beauty Zip Around Wallet is $40 for a total value of $125, which is over the value I paid for, and two things that I absolutely adore. Have you guys done a Bibbidi box? Have you had as excellent luck as I have had? Because I have to say, like, every month I open my box, I'm like, I love it so much. So I'm telling you, the key is super detailed preference sheet. They nail it, they just really nail it. So let me know down in the comments which of the two items was your favorite, and let me know if you get Bibbidi boxes. And I guess that's gonna do it for us for today. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.